is that I got this rubber hand and I thought, wouldn't it be fun if I had it slap me in the face?
Hey guys!
I'm Yuma.
Hey guys! Bad news! 今回紹介するニュースはこちら。美人発明家が作った平手打ち目覚ましマシーン。目覚ましマシーンの威力を確認するため本人が実際にテストを行ったんだ。その映像がこちら。
Simone, you're 25, get a grip. Let's transition into the wake-up machine working right now.
The wake-up machine.
This is such a fucking mess. Oh, fuck this robot. Big time. Well, that's an improvement. This is serious. I don't know how to get myself out of this shit. Ouch. Oh gosh. Like, I want my time back. Then I'll just be like, no. You can't have your time back because now it's mine. And I just snorted it. I can't do this. I can't handle this alarm clock.
美人発明家に対しネット上では目覚ましマシーンの代わりに毎朝起こしてあげたいと発明はともかくオタクキャラが人気のようだ。
登録してね。